Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds SE 2. You have to start by place your earbuds to the charging case. And now do not close the case. We need to press and hold both of the touch areas located at the back side of the earbuds. Right here at the top we have it. And you need to press and hold both of these touch areas for at least 10 seconds until this LED light starts flashed red. So I'm press and hold on it.
Star Mobile.
Okay, let's make it again. And here we go. Now you can release your finger, and firstly we need to remove these earbuds from the phone, so go to the settings, Bluetooth or connected devices, and right here you need to click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device, and after a factory reset these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so we see it at the device list. Now just tap on it and we reconnect it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.